Okay, guys, so this is question 14. Okay, so we have 1 over 20 equals 1 over x, but minus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, any suggestions on this? Let's start off with Jack. Jack, any suggestions on what you might do there? So you're looking to get the denominators all the same. The 20 looks across, and what does the 20 see? It sees the x, and what else does it see? So the 20 looks across, sees the x and the x plus 1. What I do to the bottom I must do. So x and x plus 1. Okay, the x looks across, and what would it see? Sees 20, and what else does it see? The x plus 1. And once again, what I do to the bottom I must do to the top. Yeah, 20 times 1 is still 20, so you don't necessarily have to use the 1. Okay, so you just put right in 20 here. And then 20 times x plus 1, right? Okay, the x plus 1 looks across, and what does it see? And x. So, 20 and x on the bottom, and then 20 and x on the top. Alright? Now, what do we know about the bottoms now, guys? They can all cancel out, like so. Then after that, what happens next? Okay, x squared plus 1x equals plus 20, and then behind that, minus 20x. Now 20x minus 20x turns to 0, and then after that, when you bring the 20 over the other side, so this is where you'd be not finishing off. Like most of you got really far, and then you just didn't finish it off at the end, okay? So we have this. Now what type of question is this now? It's a quadratic, okay? What's the reference number? Minus 20. What two numbers will multiply to give you minus 20, but yet when you add them you get plus 1? I say plus 5 minus 4. Okay? So x plus 5, x minus 4 equals 0. Then what happens next? X equals minus 5. X minus 4 is 0. X equals 4. Good man, alright? So what we have there is that is question 14. And that's it, done there. Okay. And then rub out the top part. So, it's question 14. Question 18, was it? Some people on question 18 done, okay. So, question 14 is up here on its own. And then I'll get started with question 18 now. Okay. So, question 18. You can read it here. 1 over x minus bracket 1 over x plus 2 equals 1 over 4. Now you should, when you're drawing these out, you should probably try and space them a wee bit. So just keep like big gaps in between them, because you're going to be drawing lots of other numbers in a second. Make it nice and neat. Okay, Lee. The x looks across, and what does it see? X plus 2 and the 4. Okay. Oh, never mind that. The x plus 2 and the 4. So you put the 4 in, and you put the x plus 2 in. What you have to do to the top then? 4 and x plus 2. Okay. James, the x plus 2 looks left and right. What does it say? And what else? 4 and x. So what you do to the top, bottom, you must also do to the top. It's 1 is on the top, so 1 times 4x is 4x. Okay, finally, Declan, the number 4, what does it say? And x. So x and x plus 2 at the bottom, x and x plus 2 on top. Okay, Lee, what happens then? Okay, after that, multiply out what you get. Plus 8. Yeah. Yeah. Equals 1x squared, yeah. 2x, yeah. Alright, you can do it two ways. You can bring, first of all, tidy up a little bit. 4x minus 4x, 0. Bring the 8 over the other side. 0 equals plus 2x minus 8. Now, for some of you that are wondering, you're allowed to do a trick here. Like if I said, as an example, 2 plus 3 equals 5, I'm allowed to turn that around and say 5 equals 2 plus 3. Because it's balanced, it doesn't matter which side comes first. So I'm going to do the same trick here. And we're going to turn this into is x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So it looks more like a quadratic that you're used to with the equals 0 on the right hand side, not the left hand side. Okay, once I've done that, what's next? What you get? Minus 8. Two numbers that will multiply to give you 8 or minus 8, but add together to give you plus 2. Plus 4 minus 2. And to finish it off, Dylan? Yeah. And yeah. And then after that? Minus 4 and x is equal to plus 2, because it goes over the other side. Okay, so x equals plus 2. So that's that part there. And reduce, and there it is there. Okay guys, so what we're on now is number 19, is it? 19? Okay. So that's that one there. That was 18. For those of you still working on it. Now I'll get on to number 20 now. Okay, question 20 is going to be 2 into x minus 1. So 2 minus x minus 1 minus 1 into x plus 2 equals a half. Okay guys, so what are we dealing with here? So Liam, top and bottom on this one, what are you going to go for? What does the x minus 1 not have? Sorry, I took down the wrong question, didn't I? It's meant to be question 19, isn't it? Sorry, nah, my bad. So go again. 2 over x bracket minus 3 over x plus 1 equals a half. Okay, so let's go for it. How do we do this one? The 2 and the x plus 1 go on the bottom. 2 and the x plus 1. Yeah. The x and the 2. Okay. The x and the x plus 1. The x and the x plus 1. Okay, let's multiply it out. 2 times 2. 4. And then 4 multiplied by x plus 1. 4 times x plus 1. 4x plus 4x for 4 multiplied by x. The second arrow represents 4 multiplied by 1. 4. And we know already that the bottoms are going to cancel. 2x multiplied by 3 minus 6x equals finally x by x and x by 1. X squared plus x. Okay. Tidy up, Liam. So how do you tidy up the left hand side? Four minus 2x equals x squared plus x. Move it to the left. What happens now? X squared plus x. The 2x travels. Yeah, it's going to be x plus 2x. I'll leave it. You're right though. And then bring over the 4. So 0 equals x squared plus 3x minus 4. What's that trick I can do? I did the last question. Just, you can rub that out and just move it over here. It's balanced. Okay. Finish it off. What's the reference number? Okay. Two numbers that will multiply to give you minus 4. Plus 4 minus 1 is correct. X plus 4, x minus 1 equals 0. After that? Yeah, after that? X equals 1, x equals minus 4.